Xavier, and today we're going to be watching Frieren. It's season 2, episode 6. We had a little break last week due to the Winter Olympics, but we're back. And last time we did some mining where the bull shaft, I think that was the name, the wine, the liquor that the elf Milliard left and claimed that it was the best wine ever, whatever thing. And old man Fast, yeah, the dwarf, and the adventure with him. And then also there was the thing with where the Norm Company, yeah, they imprisoned Frieren at the mine because of there's some debt from when she was with the party of heroes and they were doing their thing and all of that. Yeah, so okay, so this episode is titled A Demon Slain Request. It says, so this episode is titled A Demon Slain Request. It says, a village on the Northern Plateau is wiped out and the victim's distinctive wounds point to a certain demon. Let's get into it. Okay. Oh! Is it a group of demons taking them down, or is it like one demon? Oh, I'm assuming that's the last thing you ever saw. Well, I think that's the first time we've had a cold opening this season. Oh wait, except maybe like the first episode. Demons on smoke in the north, man. 30 years after the death of Emil the Hero in the Rufen region located on the Northern Plateau. Yeah, one thing I realized is that it's moved from like 29 years earlier in the season. Now it's 30 years. The passage of time. Oh, I think that was Methode.
まだ幼い息子がいるんです。
こっちはそんな言葉数えきれないほど聞いているんだ。
Oh, he's one of the first class mages. I don't remember his name though.
その息子というのはどこにいるんだ？頼むから少しは本当のことを言ってくれ。何事かと思ったが、魔族に襲われた故郷の慣れの果てか。
Oh, your hometown. Damn, that sucks.
愛着のようなものはまるでなかったが、こうしてみると寂しいものだ。
Oh, that's interesting. Wonder what the backstory there is. He was only here for like a short time. Just like born here for like maybe like 5 years, and it was here for like a few years. Oh wait, no, that guy knows him.
わかっている。もう片付けた。奴らは皆殺しにしたよ。お前も助かる。だからお前の怪我もすぐ治せるよ。店もまたすぐに開けられる。売れ残りでも昔のような失敗作でもいい。贅沢は言わん。
It's interesting. He clearly knows this guy and is like relating to him, but then he still says he's no attachment to the place. Interesting.
怪我人？気休めを言うなメトーデ。もう死んでいるんだろ。こいつ。
Oh.
見つけた時にはもう助からない状態だった。
Damn.
腹の怪我がもう腐り始めてた。こんな奴が助かるはずがない。子供の頃はよく一緒に遊んでいたな。親父さんが亡くなってからはこいつが後を継いだんだが、こいつの焼くパンはあまりうまくなかった。みんな一緒だ。こいつも寂しくない。なんで私たちではなくこいつらなんだろうな。この村の奴らは私たちと違って 戦いの道を選んだわけじゃない。
Yeah, that's true.
言うのなら一級魔法使いという戦いの道を選んだ私たちであるべきだ。
駐留していたノルム騎士団の妖精が北部支部に届いた頃に村はもう滅んでいました。ゲナウさんに責任はありません。
Yep, that's true.
村をもう一回り見てくる。
少しは休んだ方がいいのではないのですか？なぜって。
静かに。私の目が一つ潰された。戦士が一人と潜伏した魔法使いが一人。
Oh, Frieren.
かなりの手だれだな。敵だと思うか？
いえ、多分これは
なんだ、フリーレンか。
メトーデと一級試験の時の試験官か。確かゲナウだっけ。すごい殺意のこもった魔力だったから魔族かと思ったよ。
そうか、紛らわしいことをしたな。悪かった。
It makes sense for his
気が気ではありま
his
せんでし
character
た。
that we've seen.
フェルン大丈夫。味方だよ。シュタルクに伝えて。はい。北部高原にいたからね。それで状況は。
祈っているのか？
悪いか？
いや、そうは思わん。
Yeah, shouldn't be a
俺の村
problem.
も魔族に滅ぼされた。
そうか。
Yeah.
魔族って人間を食べるんだよな。なんで死体が残っているんだ？
さあな、理由は知らん。あいつらは腹いっぱいでも人を殺すんだよ。村に駐留していたノルム騎士団だ。
ノルム商会領にもいたでしょ。商会が保有する軍事勢力だよ。
村落の駐留部隊なんてこんなものだ。隊長はこの男だった。長年村を守り続けてきた英傑だ。
この人シュタルクよりはるかに強いね。
Oh,
そりゃ俺と比べたらそうでしょ。
come on, Stark. Don't do that to yourself.
剣士魔法の結果、彼らの死因は剣による斬撃で。
村にいた魔族たちは彼らの足元にも及ばない雑魚ばかり。おそらく村を襲った魔族はまだ生きている。
一緒にそいつに人類の恐ろしさを教えてあげよう。
Yeah. I love when she has that smile.
こうですかね。
それだとかなり動きに無理があるな。
でも騎士たちの傷の状態だ。
もしかしたら二刀流なのかも。
魔族は基本的に短時間の潜伏でしか魔力を隠さないから、今は魔力探知の範囲外にいると考えていいと思う。ゲナウに周辺にある魔族の拠点になりそうな場所を教えてもらったから、そこを中心に調べていこう。
What are you thinking, Fern?
まあその前に夕食かな。
またこのパンか。
流通網が回復するまでの辛抱だね。それで分析の結果は？正確な敵の構成を把握するにはもう少しかかりそうですが、分かったことはあります。じゃあ先に作戦会議。の前にやっぱり夕食に。
Methode is so cool.
魔族の襲撃で教会の結界が壊されていたからな。より強力なものに張り替えておいた。
なあ、なんで死体をそのままにしてるんだ？
Somebody's gonna collect
埋
them?
葬するなら手伝うぜ。
北部高原出身じゃないやつにはわからないか。基本的に北部高原の村落に墓地はない。あるとしても堅牢な城塞都市の片隅か結界に守られたお貴族様の墓くらいだ。あとは全て魔物の少ない北部高原南端の共同墓地に埋葬される。わざわざ死体を運び出すんだ。ノルム騎士団の護衛をつけてな。
Oh, intriguing.
なぜだかわかるか？
いや、
They food for
下
demons.
手に墓を作ると腐臭につられて魔物が集まってくるんだ。地獄のような光景だよ。そこには骨も残らない。
Oh.
ノルム商会の連中は随分前から死体を燃やすようにと主張している。私も賛成だよ。
It makes sense actually.
でも聖職者連中が黙っていない。苦しんで死んだ人間を火にくべるなんざ正気の沙汰じゃない。どうせこのままじゃ誰も故郷の地で眠れない。
Damn. Harsh.
変わらずパンを食べている時の音じゃないですね。
It is not.
なんだ
No.
かこうして一緒に食事をしていると不思議な気分です。
That they're throwing rocks.
山一つ向こうで野営してたら討伐要請の書面が届いたからね。
Okay, yeah, we're gonna get to see the request.
なんだこいつ。
メトーデとゲナーこそなんでこんなところにいるの？
Okay, so just a squirrel or whatever that delivered it.
今、私はゼーリエ様の命令でゲナウさんと二人組で北部高原の魔族の討伐任務をしていますから。というよりも弟子としての仕事ですね。一級魔法使いは基本的にゼーリエ様の弟子になることになるので。
Oh.
言えばそんなこと言ってたっけ？
私は断りましたよ。
エル
Yes.
ンはいい子だね。それで二人ともゼーリエのわがままを聞いているわけだ。むしろもっとお役に立ちたいというか、あの人ちっちゃくて可愛いじゃないですか。そうかな。もちろんフリーレンさんも負けないくらい可愛らしいですよ。ありがとう。それにゲナンさんほどの反面教師もいませんしね。
お前は私のようにはなるな。
作戦会議と行こうか。
Yes.
一つだけ分かったことがあるぜ。
The two swords thing?
敵は二刀流って言ってたっけ？それが最初はそのように仮定していたのですが、やはり釈然としない点がありまして。なので一本は致命傷を与える長剣、もう一本は取り回しの良い短剣にするのが主流です。
大きな剣を2本操る怪力の持ち主ってことでしょうか。
と思って遺体の傷や戦闘の痕跡からイメージして同じ切り方を試みたのですが、
But what?
やはり二刀流ではどうしても動きに無理が生じてしまいます。
Ah, yeah, they were talking
こ
about
れ以上は
movements.
まだ憶測の域を出ないのです。いいから教えて。
Is it that spell?
敵は四刀流です。
Oh.
そうか。
騎士や建物に刻まれた切り跡を見る限り、そう考える方が自然だ。
四刀流。
So don't you worry.
Ooh. Nice setup. Okay, so that was a Demon Slain request, and next to the episode, it was basically a setup for what's gonna happen in episode 7, I'm assuming. We had like a village in Northern Plateau overrun by demons, and basically the whole village wiped out. And we learned some interesting facts about northern villages, like about the Norm Company assigns since they're like basically the whole logistics and military arm of the North, they assign like little squads of battalions or whatever of varying sizes. They assign these like based on the size of the village or whatever. So the bigger the village, the more people they have assigned, and so far and so forth. And that's just a really cool thing. There's this debate between cremation and like transporting the bodies to the southernmost part of the Northern Plateau, and they can't leave them there because the monsters and stuff will just like get to them and just like tear them apart and nothing left. And it's practical to the cremation because like Genau was saying, unless they can get a really good handle on the monster problem, it's gonna be tricky to logistically protect the bodies while they're being transported and everything. It's like only the nobles or like the fortress cities can afford to like bury people at present because the wave of monster attacks, and especially like the Norm company, they were down on their luck until Frieren found the silver and brought them back. But it's not gonna be like an immediate thing, like how we saw with the bread. Like the bread is still hard that they're having to deal with. The soft bread and regular bread. That's gonna take a little while to get back into play. Weeks, months maybe. But for now, they just have to deal with the hard bread because logistically, it's not like it's modern time. They can get even with modern times. It takes a while, but so if the thing back then, their like trade routes and everything, their routes and networks, everything got disrupted by the monster attacks, and they have to rebuild everything. They get the monster versus silver, but it take a while to wrap that up and everything. So tricky. And yeah, but it's interesting thought there about like the burial you didn't think about. And we also learn that the offer to become serious student is basically offered to every person who becomes a first class mage. And again, Verbal would have gotten the offer, but obviously because he desperately wants to get back to the north. Sorry about the dogs and everything, boy. Um, but yeah, he just wanted certification and everything, so he didn't take her up on the offer, but he still got a certification, like with Fern. So that's cool that it's not like a mandatory thing, but it's like if you do, I'm gonna say like say Fern, you do get to become better on the series. It's just that you're okay. So just recording a little extra because the dogs earlier just oh boy. Anyway, yeah. So I was just basically saying you can train with Siri, just that you are going to be more focused on like battle magic, on killing magic and everything, because like Siri is a mage for the wartime, whereas like Frieren, like what's your name? Flammai said Frieren is a peacetime mage and everything, so that's the thing you have to balance out there. Which is so just a bit about what you want for yourself as like a mage, and that's the whole thing here. But yeah, so looking forward to seeing how this plays out further, because it's likely gonna be a little mini arc. Not sure if it's just gonna be this episode, the next episode, like it was with the date, or it's gonna be longer. But yeah, looking forward to seeing how that plays out. And I think I wanted to say more earlier, but I forgot in between the time and everything. So this is it. It is what it is. We move. Uh huh. And so those are my thoughts. Goodbye.